Hello my YouTube friends and welcome back to my channel. I'm Dee and you're viewing the How To Lady, a channel that offers tips on organization, DIYs, and life hacks. And I tell you today we're really excited because we're going to offer information related to how to organize your laundry room. Yes, your laundry room. I know you probably already got that worked out, but we're going to show you what we do and hopefully it'll be some information that you can use. And if you see anything that you like, no matter how small it is, give us a thumbs up and subscribe below. And as always, we're going to get this ball rolling and we're going to knock it out of the park. As promised, my YouTube friends, I'm going to offer my rendition of what an organized laundry space looks like. So here we go. First, you want to select containers that you like to store things in. And these are just a variety of reasonably priced containers that I use in my laundry space. Now, it is completely up to you to decide whether or not you want to label those things. I am a labeler, so yeah, I decided to label mine. All of these were roughly about $1. I've got this one from Dollar Tree, this one from Walmart, this one from Dollar Tree, and the basket from Walmart, and they will all be used in the laundry space. This is the entrance into my laundry space. It's not very large, but it is large enough for me to house the things that I need to house to do laundry. To the left, when you walk into the room, you have a basin where you can, we usually use it to soak laundry if we need to. We also use it to clean any paint brushes if we do any paint jobs. Beneath that, because we live in a rural area, we keep water. We keep tons of water because we have well water and I just don't like the taste of the water. So we keep it under here. It's out of the way and we just get it as we retrieve it as we need it. Above the wash basin, we have a container where we keep any scrubbing materials, and then we have our cabinets. So I'm going to show you what each cabinet houses and the baskets that I've used in those spaces. So in this first cabinet, we have, of course, I've labeled each shelf. This one's labeled bleach. This one's labeled detergent. I know I didn't have to do that because it's very obvious. You can see it, but labels just help me and others stay as organized as possible. Then we have baskets atop the next shelf. And we have, in one of the baskets, we have house spray and gloves. And we've been using gloves here recently because of the issues with the pandemic. And then the next basket houses detergent. Actually, we've changed it to hand wipes and just antibacterial wipes that we use to keep the cabinets clean. And then we have detergent there. So that is that cabinet. I'm going to leave it open as I move to the next cabinet. And in this cabinet, we have, of course, more baskets. And on the first shelf, we have a basket that is housing house cleaners. Also, the next basket is window cleaners. And then the next basket is antibacterial cleaners. Atop, because of the pandemic, we've got a supply of hand soaps. We usually store a lot of our kitchen cleaners in here as well. So these are our dish scrubbers. And then we use cleaning gloves to clean the house. So we definitely wear gloves whenever we clean the house. Now, the cool thing that I like about this cabinet unit is that it also has shelves at the bottom, but we'll get to that momentarily. So we're going to move on to the next cabinet. And I'm going to leave that door open while we open the next door. Now, in this cabinet, we have more baskets. You're not surprised, are you? We have the first basket on the first shelf, which is house supplies. Then we have bug sprays, because we live in a very rural area, as I stated before, and we do have ants that we have to tackle from time to time. Here we have hand sanitizers. We got quite a bit of that because of the pandemic. And then we have house fragrances. As I stated earlier, I like these cabinets because they have cabinets beneath that run horizontally. And here's where we keep a lot of our machine cleaners. This is for our washer, and then we use the softeners that we put into the dryer. The next cabinet across from that one, we are housing clothespins, because sometimes I like for my clothes to dry naturally, and I'll hang them outside or inside, and we use the clothespins to adhere the clothes to the hanging device. All right, so that covers it for these horizontal cabinets on this cabinet space. I'm going to close those. I'm going to move all the way over. So we had some additional shelving put in because we do drink a lot of water. So we have these bottles here, just here, so that whenever we have an issue with the power going out, we will have water available to us. So that's what that shelf holds, and the shelf above it. So I like this front loading machine because it also has more storage space. We opted to get this additional storage space with these units, and we house our cleaning cloths here, anything that's related to the washing machine as well as the dryer. But our cleaning cloths are housed here, and we keep those folded. They're easily accessible whenever we get ready to wash the car, or if we're using it for something in the house. It's a really great place to store things. We also have one with the dryer, and here we keep extra blankets. Of course, a little art deco that I created for this space. And I love that this laundry room has a window. It brings the sunlight in. I love it. And I have a little art deco above it. So decorate your space. It's okay to decorate your space. It makes it warm, and it makes it friendly, and you can enjoy it. So functionality, manageability, and that's my fun. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video.